Alright guys, so today we're out here again, but today we're fishing with worms, guys. Today we're gonna fish just for panfish, bluegills. We'll probably catch a bass or two on red worms, but I want to take a couple bluegills to take home and eat. I'm looking to get like 10, and there's a whole bunch of them right here in front of me. I don't know if they're spawning or what's going on, but there's some giant bass right there with them. But that's what I said, we're probably gonna catch a couple bass in with them too. I just brought my little GX rod, the one I was using for crappie fishing. Just a hook and a bobber today, guys. Just taking it old school, simple fishing, nothing too crazy, just to have some little bit of fun. So let's get to it. Here goes the first victim. Let's see if I can catch a bigger one than this one. I don't know if you guys can see those, but there's those two giant bass right there. They're just, it's like, I'm assuming those are the two dominant bass around here, or bluegills, that they're pretty. Oh yeah, this is a good one right here. That's a kegger. We're taking that one home. It's a big boy. Look at the size of that one. Woo-wee. Look at that. Oh yeah, we're taking this bad boy home. Throw that one back. There you go. Another one. This one's a good one. We're eating good tonight. Alright guys, I know I'm making a crappy video because I'm not talking as much. Just trying to focus on catching these bluegills. There we go. Got this one right here in the shoreline. Another monster. There's a lot of big ones in here today. We got 4. Man, I'm just trying to take 10, guys. Do a little catch and cook. Oh yeah, we're gonna do catch and cook. I haven't done a catch and cook this year for y'all. There we go. Yeah, buddy. Look at the size of these guys. Like, literally, they're tanks. This is actually fun. Get my pliers again. There we go. We got what? We got 5, we just need 5 more, and we're out of here. Alright guys, well, we're done fishing here. Now we're gonna go to the gas station, get a bag of ice to put on the fish, so they don't spoil you on the way home. And on the next clip after all that, you'll probably see me fry them up, because I can't show you the cleaning process because of YouTube standards. So I will see you guys back at the house, guys. Alright guys, so I got the fish right here. I'm just gonna do 3 of them right now. I have a whole bunch of them, but I'm gonna do 3. So today we're only gonna be using just black pepper and salt. That's it. Let me show you guys. So I'm just gonna press the salt. those little slits that you cut with the knife. Make sure it gets in there so the flavor can go through. You can grab the black pepper and rub it in there. Just like that, guys. Just put a little bit more extra. Just like that. I already have the oil heating up, so as soon as it's ready, I'm gonna put these bad boys in there, and we gonna eat them. I've been wanting to eat bluegill for a while this year. I haven't ate bluegill or any type of fish this year, to be honest with you. I haven't even went catfishing this year, so that's probably next in the agenda. Start going catfishing, trying to make some catch and cooks. So we'll be right back when the oil is nice and hot. Put these bad boys in here. I'm gonna give them about like 5 minutes on each side because they're not too big, so they're gonna fry up pretty fast. And always use a cast iron skillet or any cast iron thing to fry your fish because it keeps heat control at the same temperature all around. So I have learned that the last couple times I fried fish. So we'll show you. We're gonna do a little flipperoonie. Now just give these bad boys a little flip. Oh yeah, they're looking good. Look how good it looks, guys. Got the fish, the lime, and the tomato with salt, guys. Oof. Alright, first is first. I like putting lime on my fish all the time. On everything, really. Tomato. Nice and juicy. Fish. You guys know I like the fins. That's so delicious. Oh man, they're good. Falls off the bone. Literally everything just falls off. Oh yeah. You get literally just rip the fins off like this. But this one's the best one. Look at that. No bones. Mm. Mm. There we go. I had a little bone stuck in my root, my mouth. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this off. I'll come back to you guys when I'm done eating. Well guys, that recipe was fire. Just salt and pepper gave so much taste to that bluegill. Phenomenal bluegill. I also recommend, if you're gonna go fish like bluegills right now that's hot, let them sit overnight on ice so the meat can firm up. So when you're cleaning up and everything, it'd be a little bit easier, because sometimes they're kind of squishy because the water's hot. That's what I did. So the cleaning process went fabulous. It went fast. Plus bluegill is the most easiest fish to clean. You guys seen videos. Unfortunately, I couldn't put that part on YouTube, because or else they'll take my video off. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this catch and cook. I think it was one of my best catch and cooks in a while that I actually enjoyed doing. Like, everything tasted phenomenal. Everything tasted great. Man, it was just so good today. I don't know, maybe I was just craving fish, but this bluegill tasted amazing. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10, guys. So if you like these types of videos, guys, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload, guys. And I will catch you again next time on the water.